Hi everyone, welcome back. It's been a long time. I haven't made a video. Today I was going to make my kids mango shake or mango smoothie. They love having some chilled drinks after the school when it's actually a really hot day. And today is really hot. So I decided to make, I usually make the banana smoothie. They love drinking banana smoothies. But today I'm going to make mango smoothie with these ingredients. So for the mango shake or mango smoothie, all you need is full cream milk, vanilla ice cream. I like the creamy vanilla ice cream, fresh mango pulp, and I already added the milk and 1 big tablespoon of ice cream. And now I'm adding the mango. Here comes the mango. Yummy. Mango is my favorite fruit in summer, and watermelon. And now all I have to do is just blend everything together. So my mango smoothie is ready. Yum. Wow. Just going to top up with some tutti frutti in red color. And it's ready to drink. They love metal straws. So their mango smoothie is ready. So here is my mango smoothie ready to drink. I'm just waiting for the kids to come back home and they can quickly jump onto these drinks and finish them. It's really hot today, so they're gonna love it. It was super quick and easy and it's delicious. The ice cream makes it really yummy and kids love it. They can't really taste, if they don't like mango or banana, with the ice cream they can only taste, the majority of the taste is ice cream, and then they forget about the fruit if they are fussy about the fruits. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make it and enjoy. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.